Welcome to AI and Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Thursday, May 30th. Here is what we are covering. Colorado is leading the charge on consumer rights, with Governor Polis signing one of the broadest right-to-repair laws in the nation. The new law, HB 24-1121, mandates that device manufacturers must provide the tools and information consumers need to repair their own electronics by January 1, 2026. This legislation extends existing right-to-repair protections to nearly all consumer electronic devices, although some items like game consoles and medical devices are excluded. Generative AI, GenAI, is transforming industries, with enterprise investments in GenAI reaching nearly $16 billion in 2023 and projected to grow by 30% in 2024. Most notably, sectors like technology, finance, and professional services are leading in GenAI readiness, while retail, manufacturing, and nonprofits lag behind. For non-technical teams, leaders must facilitate a psychologically safe environment, clearly communicate GenAI's benefits, and involve employees in defining the AI's role to ensure smooth adoption and maintain trust. Understanding your team's concerns and generational comfort levels with technology is vital to successfully integrating GenAI into the workplace. Meta has discovered that deceptive content about the Israel-Hamas war on its platforms was likely AI-generated. The campaign, attributed to Tel Aviv-based political marketing firm Stoic, involved fake accounts posing as Jewish students and other concerned citizens. Meta reported that this is the first instance of text-based generative AI technology being used for such disinformation since its emergence in late 2022. Despite these developments, Meta asserts that AI technologies have not hindered their ability to detect and disrupt these influence networks. Nvidia is on the brink of surpassing Apple as the world's second most valuable company, with its market cap hitting $2.8 trillion. The AI chipmaker's stock surged by 20% over the last 5 days, driven by first-quarter revenues of $26 billion, exceeding Wall Street expectations. Nvidia's GPUs are crucial for AI applications, contributing to a demand that outstrips supply and propelling its market influence. In contrast, Apple's year has been marked by regulatory challenges and declining iPhone sales, resulting in less significant stock gains. OpenAI has announced the initiation of training for its next flagship AI model, aiming to surpass the capabilities of GPT-4. Concurrently, they have established a new Safety and Security Committee to evaluate and enhance their processes and safeguards. This committee will consult external experts to ensure responsible AI development, addressing past criticisms about long-term safety neglect. OpenAI's new model is expected to drive advanced applications while steering away from the pursuit of superintelligence, focusing instead on safe and beneficial AI systems. Leading AI scientist and campaigner Max Tegmark has warned that big tech companies are distracting the world from the existential risks posed by artificial intelligence. Tegmark argues that this downplaying of risks may delay the implementation of necessary regulations until it is too late. Despite calls for a temporary pause in advanced AI research, international focus has shifted away from addressing these severe risks directly. Tegmark insists that the distraction is not accidental, but rather a result of industry lobbying, likening it to the historical delay in regulating smoking, despite known health dangers.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's Nytro marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.